Morning. Grateful for another beautiful day. Looking at the charts, on the 4 hour, we had taken out the relative equal lows that I marked out last week. It actually took it that same day around 2 p.m. No, 3:45. So these are the relative equal lows that I was targeting on my first trade, if you all remember from the last video. I was targeting this, took a loss, and then after that I took the data highs. Um, and my short trade actually triggered lockouts on 3 of my accounts. All right, looking at the 15-minute chart, price had taken out in the London session. Price had taken out Asia low, NYC PM low, and previous day's lows. Okay, previous day's lows was NYC PM low. What I am expecting right now is for price to reverse, possibly to head up to rebalance all of this imbalance right here to take out some pool of liquidity. At least London high. That's what I'm expecting. So I will be bullish in the short term, but in the long term, it looks like we are still bearish, only because price perfectly retraced to the consequent encroachment of this 4-hour imbalance and dumped. All right. So I do believe that we are still headed down. I just don't know when, and I don't know how. Something that we need to watch out for this week. We have news today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. July 4th is a holiday. So this is going to be a little interesting. Normally the day before the holiday, price kind of moves sideways or seek and destroy. I'm not sure what price will do. We're just going to sit tight and wait. We got news at 10 a.m. So hopefully I'll be able to be patient and take trades after 10 a.m. And then on Friday at 8:30, we have red folder news also. So this week is full of news, full of volatility. The only thing is the holiday right in the middle. So things could be very iffy. Friday could be very choppy as well, the day after the holiday. And even the day before the holiday could be very choppy. So be careful today. Be careful this week. It's just a weird week because of the holiday. So yeah, let's just see what happens. All right, so thank you to one of my viewers because they told me that I can, they showed me how to share executions on the TopStep X platform, and here it is. So this is the account that I actually made money on, and I want to show you the executions and why I entered it and my thought process. I actually entered long here first because I thought that this imbalance was going to hold. So I entered long and I saw price weak, so I cut that out as soon as this candle came down here. I cut that, and then I shorted as soon as this market structure shift happened right over here. So I sold 3 and I closed the position here. My initial target was sell side liquidity from an old 1-hour chart. All right. I want to share with you all something here, and this is the reason why you need to just let your trade pan out and not let fear take over. Okay, so this is a lesson learned. I just need to really trust the process and the system that I've created. So over here, I initially shorted 4 as soon as this market structure shift happened. All right, I didn't wait for it to go back up into the fair value gap. I got scared, so I cut this position short. Then I tried to short again, and price decided to pump up more into this fair value gap, and I got scared, so I closed that out. By that time, I didn't have much equity left in my risk, my daily loss limit. So when I tried to short here, it basically wicked me out and account is locked. And same goes for the other 3 accounts. I tried to short here as soon as this low was taken and it came back up and I got stopped out. Tried to short again here, and then, I got wicked out. I didn't have much equity left because I was only risking 125 on this one. So that's basically what had happened. Sad day, but I learned something very valuable. If I see a setup, if I see my setup panning out, then just leave it alone. Don't close it out. Don't try to re-enter or anything like that. It's just one trade a day. Trade what you see, not what you anticipate. And everything should be good because my target was 2.5R and that would have hit, right? but you know what? It's fine. I'm going to deal with the repercussions. So I lost 250 today due to the spread. My daily risk limit was only 245. So I'm going to adjust that for tomorrow. Lost 250 on this one, up 432 on this one, down 129 on this one, down 127 on this one, and down 127 on this one. All right, so looking at the overall journey so far for each account, this is where I'm at. I am in the red overall. These two accounts, I am able to take a payout, but I'm going to wait until I create a buffer. And I'm just going to trust the process. I'm going to continue to trade the risk that's given, and we'll see what happens. Let me know in the comments below how you all did today, and subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K, and I will catch y'all tomorrow.